What if ships were never invented? This question takes us on a fascinating journey through history, geography, and human innovation. Ships have played a crucial role in the development and progression of societies. Without them, the way we trade, communicate, and explore the world would look vastly different. Let's dive into the implications of a world without ships. First and foremost, trade would be dramatically affected. Ships have been the backbone of global trade for centuries, allowing for the transport of goods across oceans and continents. Without ships, countries would rely heavily on land routes, which could not support the volume or variety of trade that maritime shipping facilitates. This limitation would restrict access to resources, leading to economic isolation and stunted growth for many nations. Imagine a world where vital commodities like spices, textiles, and even technology were not easily exchanged. The rich, diverse tapestry of global cultures would surely be less vibrant. Additionally, exploration and colonization would have taken a much different path. The age of exploration, which saw intrepid sailors discovering new lands, would not have occurred in the same way. Without ships, vast bodies of water would remain uncharted territories, keeping civilizations separated and hindering cross-cultural interactions. The Americas, Australia, and many island nations might have developed entirely independently, resulting in unique societies and histories unknown to us today. The rich history of cultural exchange and influence that shaped the modern world would be lost, along with countless stories, traditions, and advancements. The impact on warfare and military strategies would also be significant. Naval power has historically been a key factor in the strength and influence of nations. Without ships, landlocked warfare would dominate, altering alliances, conflicts, and territorial expansions. Maritime battles have shaped the outcomes of wars and the power dynamics between nations. The absence of a naval presence would give rise to different military tactics and technologies, ultimately reshaping the geopolitical landscape. Furthermore, the environmental implications of a world without ships would be intriguing to consider. Ships currently contribute to pollution and climate change, but they also play a role in transporting renewable energy technologies globally. In a world devoid of ships, the distribution of clean energy resources would be limited, potentially slowing the transition to sustainable energy solutions. This scenario could lead to a double-edged sword. While some marine ecosystems would thrive without the impact of shipping, green technologies could lag behind. In conclusion, the absence of ships would not only alter the course of trade, exploration, and warfare but also have profound effects on culture, environment, and technological advancement. The interconnectedness that defines our modern world would be significantly weakened. Shipbuilding and seafaring have been pivotal in shaping human history. They are not merely vessels but symbols of our quest for knowledge, connection, and progress. Without them, our world would be an unrecognizable place.